are so excited to have our guest with us tonight. The incredible Will Dempsey's with us.
You can bet she's one of those light you up and let you go mysteries. Kind you wanna get to know, remind you not to get too close quickly. Yeah, but like a moth to the flame, she pulls you in all the same, and you're hers. And there's nothing you can do or say, 'cause once you get a little taste, it's over. She's wildfire and whiskey, white lines to heartbreak. I heard that you wish they burn, you can't escape, like wildfire and whiskey. Yeah, she told me from the start, wasn't going far, not to make it hard, I should leave my heart out of this. So I guess that I'm to blame, try to play a game, ended up in flames, never been the same since. Now wildfire and whiskey, white lines to heartbreak. I heard that you wish they burn, you can't escape, like wildfire and whiskey. Oh, don't try to put me out. No, no, no. It's what I deserve. It's all I've got left over now. So please, just let me burn. She's wildfire and whiskey, she's white lines to heartbreak. I heard that you wish they'd burn, you can't escape, like wildfire and whiskey. She's wildfire and whiskey. She's my kind of misery. Arms on strong, and then she's long gone in history, like wildfire and whiskey.
There you go. Let's hear it for Will Dempsey right here on the Dailey and Vincent Show.